In Sikkim, the death toll following devastating flash flood has mounted to 19. State Disaster Management Department has said that 26 are injured while 103 are reported missing, including army personnel. Centre has approved a release of around 45 crore rupees disaster assistance to flood-affected Sikkim. Home Minister Amit Shah has called for establishment of model anti-terrorism structure under NIA for uniform investigation across all agencies in states. India and UAE has signed strategic partnership agreement for developing and launching of UAE's payment card scheme based on RuPay card. Centre has said that citizens can now become drone pilots without any government-issued identity and address proof.